welcome to Vlogmas. So today is pretty early, not as early as I wanted to get out, but it's still morning time. I'm gonna go pick up some bowls from Tropical Smoothie because they have these new like breakfast bowls. Someone told me about them the other day and I was just like, wow, because I saw someone eating it and I'm like, what is that? Where did you get that? It looks so good. But they have these good breakfast bowls. I don't even know if they're breakfast bowls or just title bowls, but I'm gonna head out and get 2 of those bowls. And after I eat breakfast, then I'm gonna head back out. I'm gonna pick up my son's Christmas gift. He's gonna be super excited when he sees what it is. I'm gonna try to show you all or tell you all what it is, excuse me, without my baby son hearing it, because my baby son will tell. Like, he has a reputation for not being able to hold water, if you know what I mean, and telling everyone what they got for Christmas. My middle son, his gift is in the mail, so I should be receiving that any day. Tyra's toys, already got those out the way. I'll probably show you all what she has later on in this vlog, but yeah, she got all of her toys are kind of like ready. I just need to wrap them. What else? Trying to think of what else. Okay, so I need to go out and get a gift today for my mom. Oh, and my baby son. So I let him go on Amazon and put everything in his cart that he wanted. So that's gonna be pretty easy. I'm just gonna check it out and that's that. Head out. When Tyra just came in, so I'm about to head out. I'll take you all with me. I'll pick up the vlog as soon. I don't know. I'll probably pick it up once I'm in Tropical Smoothie. So I'll see you all in just a minute. Who is it, baby? She just brought me my phone. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. All right. Pick y'all back up in a second. I just got 2 bowls. I got the acai. I forgot how they said it, but this one's mine. Can't wait to try it. And then I got this one as well. This is a chia oatmeal bowl. And yeah, don't know how it's gonna taste, but I think mine definitely looks better. They said that mine is better too, in their opinion, but I don't know. I'm gonna get a review after they're both eaten, and I'll let you know which one was better, which one, you know, in our opinion. So I will check back in with you all in a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna try it. I got feedback from the other bowl that it was good, so let's go ahead and see how this one tastes. Tyra's liking this too. It's really good. I don't even know if I came back with an update, but it's really, really good. It just tastes like a fruit parfait, but like better. A fruit parfait that you would make yourself, but I've never made one this good. I really like the texture. I like how it tastes. I like the honey on top. It's really, really good. Really good. The purple stuff at the bottom, they said is sherbet. So you can just imagine like how good it really tastes. It tastes so good. And Tyra likes it too. All right, so now we are at Best Buy, and I'm gonna run in and get my oldest son's gift. I'm not gonna allow my baby son to see what he got. I already told you why earlier, but I'll be back in just a minute. everyone. So today is the next day. I just got done doing laundry. We're starting another load of laundry, actually. I'm not done. I wish I was. But yesterday did not really go as I intended because I really didn't feel like staying out there once I saw how packed it was. And it is right like before Christmas, so I don't know what I was expecting. I expected it to be packed. I guess I just didn't take the traffic and the holiday drivers into consideration. And what I mean by that is, like, I don't like the drivers' way of driving when they were weave in and out of traffic and they're on your bumper. And you would think because it's the holiday season that people would be a lot more patient and nice and cheerful, but on the road, it's a whole different story. So I really don't like getting out around Christmas to go shopping. And I always get reminded when I get out because of the drivers. Now, once I actually get to where I'm getting, it depends on the store that I'm at, but I can let you know Target was super packed yesterday. My cart got hit a few times. And then after that, the lines were super, super long. So I kind of forgot how holiday shopping was or is like last minute. And it kind of turned me off from wanting to go shopping. I got what I needed to get yesterday. I went to Best Buy. But as far as getting everyone's gift out the way like I anticipated yesterday, that didn't happen. So I came home and I intended to go to Amazon last night. Didn't do it. I watched a movie and just relaxed. And then today, kind of like around noon, I went to Amazon and I finished up a good bulk of my Christmas shopping. So I literally just have a few more items to grab. I'm hoping to grab those throughout the week, where maybe it won't be so much hustle and bustle on the roads, and hopefully the lines won't be super, super long. But right now what I'm doing is I'm about to record a video. I'm going to record a video going over my opinion on the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max, because I've had the 15 Pro Max now for a little over a month, I believe. And I think now I can really give a honest review about how I feel about the differences. I did do an initial review, so if you're interested in hearing how that initial review was, I'll link that video down below. Or I did an unboxing and I guess a little bit of an initial review. But I'm going to record a video right now going over how I feel about the phones. I actually have my iPhone, another 14 Pro Max here that I'm going to record from. Is this the 14? I don't know. This may not even be the 14. What is this? I'm thinking this. Yeah, this is the 12 Pro Max, excuse me. So I have my 12 Pro Max I'm about to record the video on, and I have my 14 Pro Max here, and I'm recording right now on my 15 Pro Max. So I'm about to record that and then cook dinner and chill out. I don't know if I'll be back to this vlog tonight or if I'll pick it back up tomorrow, but I will be back with you all. I appreciate you all for hanging in with me during Vlogmas. And yeah, I'll come back to you all in just a little bit. Or it may be tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I'll be back nevertheless. Good morning, everyone. So today is the next day. At this point, this vlog has been going on for about 3 days. I did record a video yesterday and I posted it, and that video was doing a comparison on the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you're interested in seeing my opinion after utilizing both phones and kind of looking out for the differences between both, for over a month, be sure to check out that video. I didn't want to do the video too soon and not allow myself the time to actually see which one I enjoy using the most and why. So I felt like last night was a good time to go ahead and create that video. So if you're interested, I will link that down below. Right now I'm doing laundry. Laundry is going behind me. Excuse me, you may hear the washer and dryer. My sons are at school, Tyra's asleep. I am in the process of also retying my hair. I was gonna head out and go to the store to finish up Christmas shopping because I didn't finish when I went out on Saturday, didn't get out on Sunday. I was thinking I would go today because I don't know, I was just hoping because it's Monday, and if I go like toward the afternoon or morning-ish time, early afternoon, early morning, then late morning, early afternoon is what I'm trying to say. Then I was thinking that I would kind of like beat the traffic and the rush because people would be at work. But it's very, very bad outside. Like as soon as I got in the car and I drove out of my complex and I hit this street, my car started to slide a little bit, and I have new tires and everything, but it's just slippery. There was also a couple accidents. My mom texted me and she's like, there's a winter storm advisory. So all the stuff I was saying about the nice weather in Michigan, I guess I spoke too soon, because I was really thinking that we weren't gonna have any bad weather this week. I thought we were gonna have a pretty clear Christmas, and we may still, but today is definitely, it's Michigan weather today. So I decided to stay in. I'm gonna stay in until the weather advisory is over and until I get some messages from whoever is out that I know, because a lot of people know that I really don't like driving in the snow. So my friends will text me, my family will text me and let me know if it's bad or not. I've drove in the snow, but I don't like to. So yes. So yeah, I'm in right now. I'm retying my hair. I pretty much got this side done, this side and the back, and then I need to do this side. So I'm probably gonna start on that because I don't really have too much to do right now. I did place an Amazon order last night to get more of the gifts, but then there's a part of me that still want to go out and browse. I just don't want to be, I don't like the traffic, and I don't want the stores to be super, super packed. I want to be able to actually look. So that's why I'm trying to find the perfect time to go. I don't think the weekend is going to be the best. I'm going during the week. So maybe I'll go today, maybe it'll be tomorrow, but just wanted to touch in with you all and let you know what I'm doing. And I'm going to start retying my hair. Thank you if you got this far in the video. I really appreciate your support. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here and pick up recording with the next vlog for Vlogmas. I do want to give out shout outs. So the first shout out goes to me, TL1541, who could have guessed. This subscriber of mine is super, super supportive. I truly appreciate you. I can always count on them to be under my videos in the comments, and not even just for Vlogmas. I've probably said this before, but for even before Vlogmas. So I appreciate that support. I really do. And again, it does not go unnoticed. I have a emoji smiley face with the hearts around it. So thank you so much. I'm going to actually reply back to you. And then I also, well, one moment, let me finish this video and then I'll reply back. Okay, so The second comment goes to by_utub_views_828, and it says your positivity is contagious with a smiley face. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate that as well. I do want to thank you all again for tuning into Vlogmas, your support, watching and tuning in, and any way that you support any of my platforms. I truly appreciate it. It does not go unnoticed. I will be back with another video, and I am continuing on with Vlogmas. So thanks again for tuning in, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.